So we in building Pivo bar, we were seeking to have everything unique, to bring a totally unique proposition to the very much center of London. So as much as we've got unique beer, independent beer from Czech Republic, beautiful appointed interior from decorative firms, for example, hand-blown glasses, hand-blown chandelier, we were thinking what would make our kitchen unique, because it's like a normal pub kitchen, a nice pub kitchen. Well, actually it is a Retigo oven, because it seems to be an unbeatable proposition, definitely.
We're here today at Pivo in Hackney, or Shoreditch should I say, and we're working alongside Sprint, which we've done a few other bits and pieces with them. So our first one that we've done was in Absurd Bird, which was actually down in Hackney, Shoreditch area. We also done another one with them over in Notting Hill with Neighbour.
We chose to partner with Retigo UK. Well, we actually started about 5 years ago working with them. At Sprint, we are a quality brand selling a quality product with very sort of demanding customers. With Retigo, it fitted the bill. It's a very good product, it's a very good price, and you're offering something unique to the customers, something they haven't heard of.
It's always been to have a proper Czech hospitality. If we want to do a proper duck leg confit duck, if we want to do chicken schnitzel, if we want to do our goulash, to trim it in the right way, we just need this Retigo oven, because it works amazingly well. And whereas we can use it for our modern menu during lunch, like pasta, etc., we use it for our specific Czech dishes in the evening, which is amazing, really.
We've had the relationship now with Pivo. Well, we actually started about 3 years ago. We worked very closely with Martin. He was very keen to deliver a Czech menu, so we had to be very sympathetic with that with the equipment we had in there. Obviously, Retigo was the perfect fit, because that's a Czech oven, one of the key exports, I'd like to think, coming out of the Czech Republic. So yeah, that married up very well in there. I think with the emphasis totally on the Czech ethos here, with the beer that I know Martin's very passionate about, having the ovens in there and everyone coming together to pull it together, it's been really good. At Sprint we do have our own engineers, and we've worked very much hand in hand with Retigo. We actually cover the warranty, but the availability of spare parts has improved massively over the years now. It is a lot of them now all on next day deliveries, so that works out really well indeed. We've got a very good, clean, functioning kitchen, and say with the Retigo oven there, it's very much the icing on the cake and sort of the jewel in the crown when you want it down there.
Using the services of Sprint allows me to have an additional pint in the meantime.
The Black Edition oven that we've got downstairs is great in an open plan kitchen, because it's all about the theatre and the drama. It fits in really well with the surroundings. Not only Sprint and our other contracting partners have recognised the innovation and the quality of the Retigo. It won the Innovation Challenge Award at the Commercial Kitchen Show, which we're really proud of.
It's great to see the black oven in there. It's something a little bit different. A lot of the ovens you do get are stainless steel, but it just goes to show with the Retigo you can get them in a choice of colours. And once again, it's something a bit different, something unique to take to the marketplace, and something a bit quirky, especially when in an open kitchen environment.
Because it is an open kitchen, we always wanted an open kitchen. Having a black oven, this makes a massive difference. It even displays the logos of our beers, and it clearly is an innovative element, and that's what we want, because Pivo is about modern design, innovation, and craft at the same time.
If you want good dish, you can use some recipe. If I forget something, I just turn on, and it's a great product.
One thing we have found with Retigo is the excellent support that we do then get from them. It's even ramped up another level, so whenever we need help, Simon or Rob are always available to answer any questions. Obviously we never have a problem with the product.
Well, the service is excellent. I mean, I don't understand much about ovens, but we don't need to care about it. It works excellent in an excellent way, and that's what we want.
When customers come to me, they've got problems that need solving. We put in equipment to do that job. The right duty equipment for the right level of covers in that restaurant, and when you put in that Retigo oven, you know they're not going to have any problems with it. It's going to go in, it's going to do the job day after day after day.
I love because it's easy, reliable, and make a really good food. So
in 4 years of selling Retigo ovens, we haven't attended one warranty call in all that time. So I think there again, you talk about reliability, the proof's in the pudding there, isn't it? My way.
Maintenance, repairs, what's that? we don't know what's that because it's so reliable. So our chef is delighted.
It's a great opportunity working here today because Sprint get to come down and see a Retigo working in a live kitchen. So they get to see all the benefits of it up and running, how we use it, how I demonstrate end user training to the chefs that actually get it in their kitchens. So all of their staff get an understanding of what Retigo are really about.
Retigo Riquet has really stepped up another gear now. There's so much you can get out the oven, and I think with the chef training, that is invaluable. And there again, when you see the care and the love being put in at that level from day one, the customer buys into that ethos as well. With Retigo, they do find with the chefs we've got, and they're an excellent standard, Danny and Phil to name a couple, but you know, they will spend the time with the customer and invest their time, and the customer appreciates that. You know, it's that investment all round and getting the best out of the oven.
Going to push play on our button there, and then what that does, it heats up the elements within inside the smoker, burns the chips and creates a chamber full of smoke, which is then going to smoke our cheese.
Everybody understand, and for everybody it's really easy to use.
Technical support wise now, they brought Mike in. You know, an answer to any question is only a phone call away, and there again, to work with someone like Mike, and it reflects with Simon and Rob and Annetta, the enthusiasm, it's all there. The final piece of the jigsaw that is sort of really sort of ramping up sales for Retigo and Sprint moving forward.
It's really easy, fast, the oven is great.
Our reviews, food-wise, are excellent, and Retigo oven is a major contribution to that.
It's quite a sensitive community with the people that have been selling it for a period of time now, and the willing for the brand to do well and sort of get the quality in front of the customers.
Our head chef always says and quotes, and I like to quote her on that, Retigo oven is my best friend in the kitchen. Thank you.
What was it again?
We do our best.